What is up YouTube, Steve Harvey here, and yes, that is right, I am back. It has been about 7 months since my last upload and I am really sorry for that. There really is no excuse, it's just plain and simple being slack. But in this video, I have been thinking of what to call it, and the title I've came up with is my honest YouTube experience because it does have a little bit of reason as to why I haven't been uploading. Now let me just give you guys a little bit of a brief recap of what I have been up to in the last 7 months. And most of that has involved traveling. So in June, I decided to head overseas just to America for a bit of a holiday. So that was about 5 weeks away. It took me to Mexico, it took me to Miami, Houston, San Francisco, where else? And then most of the Caribbean countries. So we're saying Cuba, Puerto Rico, Honduras, Haiti, and the Bahamas. And that was amazing. It was just really nice to have a nice break away. June is actually the winter season here in New Zealand. So because it's obviously I'm traveling to the northern hemisphere, it's a complete opposite. And so I got to skip out on the winter season and got to enjoy the summer up in that northern hemisphere. However, I did come back from that holiday for a brief 2 weeks and I decided to actually take a trip and move over to Bali for a few months. Now I had all the intention of being there for about 3 months, but I decided to cut the trip short by a month and only stayed for 2. One, that does have to do with my visa, but 2, I have been to Bali a few times on holiday, either with friends or with family, and I've really enjoyed it. The people are amazing, the culture is amazing, all the food, everything is so cheap over there. It's a really good spot to be. Now, like I said, I've been there on holiday, but I haven't actually lived over there. So I thought I'd give it a little bit of a test, why I wanted to go over for 3 months, and see if it's actually something I'd like to persevere in the future. But really, it wasn't all how I thought it would be. I really enjoyed it over there. I was over there with friends, so I wasn't lonely or anything. It was more the fact that at this point of time in my life, I have everything here in New Zealand. Everything is great. I have a place, I got a roof over my head, I have my friends over here, I have business opportunities, okay, I have a job, everything like that. It's just perfect for me. And so to be smart in my age, if I want to save and invest as much money as possible, the best place for me to do that is actually here in my hometown. Now, during my time away, I was still able to invest my money. So over the last 7 months, I've been consistently putting money into my Sharesies portfolio. In the last probably month or so, I've actually ramped it up and I'm currently doing about, let's say $300 to $400 per week into my portfolio, which is really awesome. I began to split my paycheck into percentages, and ever since I've done that and I've budgeted things towards food, things towards bills, and then savings and investment, it's actually allowed me to really see where my money's going and where I can increase different percentages in certain areas so I can make the most of that money in terms of my investments. And by doing so, I was able to cross over $5,000 in my Sharesies portfolio. So you're not going to see that today, guys. However, I do have a video coming up very soon. If you're watching this as soon as I upload it, it's probably going to be out in the next day or 2. But if not, I'm going to leave a little link in this corner up here, or this corner up here, probably this corner up here, for you guys to be able to see that video, or in the description as well, I'll have the link. Now, we're already quite a bit of way through into this video, and I haven't even touched on the whole title of this video, and that is my YouTube experience and why I wasn't uploading the last 7 months. So if you go back to my few videos that I have on my channel before I stopped uploading, I was trying to upload every single day. Now, I have friends that are doing really well on YouTube, and I asked them why or how is the best way to grow. Like, what do I do? Everything like that. And most of them just say consistency and uploading every single day. I took that in a way of thinking, okay, if I upload a video every single day, that means that I'm getting more content onto my channel, which means more people will be able to see it because it's going to be everywhere. However, I was wrong. There was more to that. There's things like strategy, tags, titles, trends, everything like that that I wasn't 100% certain of. So I have been doing my research. I have found out certain ways that I can improve that. And really it does just come down to consistency and having really good content. Originally trying to post every single day, it got stressful juggling between having a job and trying to do that. And yes, depends on how I spend my hours during the day. But again, I wasn't enjoying what I wanted to do. I wasn't enjoying making videos. I wasn't doing it for the right reasons. I was focusing on numbers, and that's all the things that you don't want to do. It's not about numbers for me. It's about helping people. It's about teaching people through the lens here, through to you guys. And allowing you guys to work on your personal finance, and that's what this channel is about. And from now on, holding myself accountable with this video, I'm going to be uploading at least one video per week. I'm going to push and I'm going to strive for 2 videos for you guys. However, if we do also end up with a 3rd video, that's just a nice little bonus for you guys. And so in the near future, this is what you guys can expect to see. A lot of portfolio updates, okay? So with my Sharesies portfolio, I want to show you guys, one is going to be a really big video coming up very shortly after this one, which I'll talk about Sharesies, because over the last 7 months, there have been a few changes with Sharesies, so I do want to share that with you guys. Also, I want to share my portfolio, so show you guys how it's going, different funds I own, different companies I own, my dividends, everything like that. And then I want to move on into more personal finance. So I will be uploading similar videos that I have in the past. So the ones where I talk about different ways that you can make money in 2019, or in this fact 2020, that's coming up in the next month or so. And then I'm also going to come out with a really cool beginner series. So it's basically like a free mini course where I just upload a few videos that will run you through the sign up process. So it takes you a walkthrough through signing up. It takes you through adding money, buying shares, and also auto investing. So with the auto investment tool, but also using limit orders, which is a new thing that is added, which you will see in the next video. But to finish it up, I'd like to apologize one more time for the lack of consistency or the lack of uploads in the last 7 months. But I do promise to make a change. I hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you haven't even subscribed and you're watching it, then hit that little subscribe button down below. That's greatly appreciated. If you liked the video, or even if you want more videos, hit the like button. But that is all for this video. I hope to keep it as short and sweet as possible. The following videos are going to have far more content, far more information and education. So I do hope you enjoy them. So we'll see you in the next one.